Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us discuss chapter 6 Geometry and Maps. Straight and curved lines. Pick up a skipping rope, hold it from both ends and stretch it tightly. This is a straight line. Now loosen the rope a little. This is a curved line. Raise one end of the rope and stretch it tightly. This is a slanting line. It is also a straight line. Now horizontal and vertical lines. A straight line from left to right, it is a horizontal line. A straight line from top to bottom, it is a vertical line. Now drawing lines. A ruler or scale is used to draw straight lines. We also use to measure lines that are already drawn. There are some other things we can use to draw straight lines, but we cannot measure lines using them. To draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called compass. It will be the MCQ. The full line should be there, it will be blank. To draw curved lines, we use a special instrument called dash, compass, and other three words should be there. Now, chapter 6, exercise 1. Write how many lines of different kinds are there in each picture. See, this is horizontal, vertical, curved, slanting, then horizontal, vertical. In this way, you complete this one. Draw lines as directed using a ruler. Horizontal line in this way, vertical line in this way, slanting in this way. Now shapes. A shape is made up of lines. A dash is made up of lines. MCQ. Shape. A shape is made up of dash, lines. It will be MCQ. You can do any one as a MCQ. A shape that has only one length and breadth but no height is called plane figure. MCQ. Now go next. A corner. A dash is a plane figure that points where two straight lines meet. Corner. And other three words should be there. A side is a straight line joining two corner points lying adjacent. This will be. A diagonal is the line joining the opposites and non-adjacent corners of a straight-sided shape. It will be blank and it will be the answer. Square. It has four equal sides and it has four corners and two diagonals. Four sides, four corners and two diagonal lines. It is square. Rectangle. It has four sides, two short and two long. Then blank should be there, rectangle. Triangle. It has three sides and three corners. It has no diagonals, dash. What is that? That will be triangle. Triangle, rectangle, square, corner, four words should be there. You put tick mark on triangle. Oval. Oval. It has no sides, corners and diagonals. It is like a flattened circle. This is oval. That means dash has no sides, corners and diagonals. Then answer will be oval. Triangle, circle. It has no sides, corners and diagonals. Dash has no sides, corners and diagonals. Four words should be there. Circle should be there. Put tick mark on circle. That's why I am telling children, you read this many times. The face of a solid is its flat surface. The edge of a solid is side where two faces meet, edge. The vertex of a solid is the point where two edges meet, vertex. Face, edge. Then cube. It has solid made up of six flat square shaped faces. Dash should be there, answer will be cube. It is a solid made up of six flat faces. Four of them are always rectangular and other two may be rectangular or square shape. Instead of it, it will be cuboid. Sphere. It is a solid made up of one curved face. It has no flat face. Sphere. It has no edge or vertex. Now cylinder. Dash is a solid made up of two flat faces and one curved face. It has two curved edges. It has no vertex. It is cylinder. Corner. It is a solid made up of one flat face and one curved face. It has one curved edge. It has one vertex. See, flat face and curved face. Now, see, object. This is cylinder. This one no. This is sphere. This is cone. This one also you learn it and see. Do this. Fill in the blanks. It will be, see, give one word answer or few words in the following. Children, where one word answer, it will be always MCQ. In any chapter, any subject, where we will get one word answer, that will be MCQ. A figure with length and breadth and height. In this way, take out the answers from back and write it here. See, a dot grid is an arrangement of dots. A dash is an arrangement of dots. Dot grid. Now, tangram. A dash is a Chinese puzzle. Tangram. Where we will get that pink words, that will be MCQ. Fill in the blanks, practice it. Okay, you will get answer from back. It will be MCQ. This one, learn it. And always you must learn in math progress worksheet. You the full chapter you have all the chapters. The question answers is here. In every exercise you practice this progress worksheet. Thank you.